How you doing? This is Big Fat Paulie. We're still here pimping out some fuck cancer bracelets, trying to get some unloaded, make some money for some various cancer causes. As you know, our first round of donations is going to be going to a cancer walk that's happening in Washington, D.C., October 9th through 11th. Two friends of the Tommy D's Nuts Show are going to be walking in that. That would be the other Tommy and his wife, Ruth. The breast cancer 3-day benefits Susan G. Komen and Cure for the National Philanthropic Trust Breast Cancer Fund. It's a good cause, and we're trying to get them a lot of money to raise for that. So here's what we're going to do. September 30th, I'm going to be coming to you live with John from his studio at his home. I'm going to be driving out to the Midwest from the East Coast just to see him and sit on the radio with them for the night. Now, what we're going to do is that night we're going to make the announcement of how much money we are going to be donating for the Cancer Walk, which happens the following weekend. Through the next couple of months, we're going to give you a couple updates on how we're doing. But right now, sales are doing great, but we need them to get a whole lot better. We want these fuck cancer bracelets to spread just like the fucking cancer that they are. All right, so here's what we're doing. We got your fuck cancer bracelet, which is your black. It says fuck cancer in a very nice fashion. We got nice stenciling on there. We do have some for children's sizes. Unfortunately, due to an error by the company who we purchased these from, we did receive a bunch that were children's sizes, and not everybody who has cancer is an adult. There are some kids out there who have the cancer and want to say fuck cancer. So here's what you do. You go to TommyD'sNuts.com or WildlifeRadio.com and click on the link that you'll see this smiling face, and you can order your fuck cancer bracelet. They're $4 a piece, and all the money that we are generating from this is going to the cause. We are not pocketing any money. We're not making any money off of this. This is 100% profit going to cancer funds. Now, once we do finish this support of Tom and Ruth and their cancer walk, we will be donating to various other organizations, but right now we're trying to get as much as we can for these guys. So TommyD'sNuts.com, click on the link where you see my face, and you can see the new video, which you're looking at right now, or you can just order by clicking on the drop-down box. Now, I hope we can get some more money, make a whole lot of money for these guys. Until then, September 30th, you will hear me on the air, and in the meanwhile, you'll hear me commenting in the background on WildlifeRadio.com while the show is broadcasting, Mondays and Wednesdays, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Time. If you're not in the Eastern Standard Time, figure it out.